So today I'm here with a new project to share with you. This is a 6x6 mini album with 5 signature pages. So let's take a look. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am excited to share with you a new project, and this is actually the project that I created for my subscription box, and this is the collection that we're using for the January box. So I am a little bit behind. I took a little break on January, and then February got a little bit crazy busy for me, but here we are, and I love how this came out. I hope that you guys like it as well. So if you're part of the box, I probably have already emailed the class to you by now, and if you would like to purchase just the video class, I will have a link down below so you can have that option. And if I have any of these kits available, I'll also have it on the website as a standalone. And if you would like to become member of the subscription box, we're gonna be starting the month of March. So if you're interested on these previous box, I usually have them listed as a unit instead of subscription for the previous months if we have them available. If you don't see them, send me an email and I can always double check if we have any extra kits for these. But yeah, so this book measures 6x6. Actually the cover is 6¼ by 6¼ All the flowers that you see, the chipboard pieces, they all come as part of the box. Same with this crochet doily here, the trim that we're adding down here, same as the trim on the spine, the same binding, basically everything. And of course the paper collection. It is a 6x6 collection, and they also have some cut aparts, 4x4, 4x6. It's just have a little bit of everything on this collection. So I use absolutely everything to create this book, and I also complemented a little bit with some pink cardstock as well. But yeah, so this is how it looks, and I think this book turned out super cute, especially for like a Mother's Day. I think it's very beautiful, romantic, elegant, and I really love it. So I have an image of a lady here and an image of the children, which are cut apart from the collection. And so let's take a look. I really love the color combination on this collection. We have some pink, some blue, the cream colors, a little bit of the vintage look to it. And then for complementary cardstock, I use some pink blush on some of the inside pages like that. And so yeah, so now let's take a look. So over here we have a basically 4x6 area for pictures, and then also this is a belly band, so you can add some photo mats on the back here. And then I use some of the images from the collection to create these little tag spots, and then I just added some of my little ticket stacks from the collection, and just everything I had I just tag in here. You can of course put it throughout the pages. So I use again some of the cut parts to create these little places for pictures. I still need to add some paper there, I forgot. And then we have these larger tags, so I just back everything on some cardstock, and this can be a little journaling space or place for picture there as well. And then these slides to the side, and again place for picture there, and then it magnetizes in place. This opens up, so we have a place for a 4x6, and then a pocket here with some journaling areas, or you can put pictures there as well, or do pictures on the back, journaling on the front, and of course you can add more to this pocket there as well. On the back over here, I just added some more of this beautiful lace. I really love the Parisian image on the paper here. I don't know if you can see the detail, and it's just so pretty. This opens up like that, and then opens and opens. So this is another page of cut aparts that I just went ahead and use as a background, because to be honest, I just had too many of these cut aparts. So you could also use this as cut apart if you want to cut these pieces, but I just didn't want to do all that fussy cutting, and I needed a background page, so I used that. Over here we have a little dimensional pocket and a cute little girl, and so I added a little mini book for this pocket. So this is a little mini book within the mini book. I didn't decorate the inside, so basically it's just black, but this opens up like that, and it opens here, it opens up and to the side, and then this opens down, and then on the other side is the same. This opens up and to the side and down, so quite a lot of room for pictures. You can put 4x3 pictures here, I think, for the most part, and then all of that closes. Of course you can add some cardstock in there, but I will probably just be adding pictures. I think that should be fine. And then over here we have another little tax spot, another one of these little cut parts that I turned into a little opening page. I added magnets there, and then this opens up, so just a large area for pictures. This next page looks like a pocket, so we have another journaling area, and this actually opens down, and then this opens up. And then over here we have a pull down page, so it opens up like that, and then of course you can close that up, close this and close that, and then this just kind of tags in here with that magnet, so it looks like a pocket, so it's like a little secret page. On the next page, again, just some cut parts here that I use as a little tag spot, of course place for a picture or journal, and then this opens to the side, and then this opens here, so we have a 3D page, and then place here for a picture. And then we have the pull down waterfall, so this one turned out really cute. I love this size, and we have 6 little places here, actually 12, so if you count the back, to add your pictures. And I just left everything plain here, and so yeah, so that is that page. On the next page here we have another little tag spot, so open that like that, and then when you open this we have another pocket, but this pocket has this insert page here that comes in and out, so you can put your picture there. You can also add more pictures in or photo mats in there and use it as a regular pocket as well. And then on this side we have these little tickets, so these little bingo cards, and then this other place here for journaling, and I just made a little tag spot right there, so it goes like that, and then this opens up, and then this opens to the side, and then same thing here, this opens up and to the side. And I did leave this open so you can actually add a little ticket or something on the inside as a little belly band. So this opens up, place for picture, and then this opens to the side, and then these two actually come out, so they are removable pieces. You can fully take it out and add your pictures there. And then this middle also opens up like that, so this opens up, whoops, and a lot of room for pictures. And then these two just go on the back right there like that, and just kind of tag in, and then you can close that up, close these, and close these on top. So lots of room for pictures on this page as well. And then here for the back, I really love this page. It's like a really beautiful kind of like a, I think it's a living room, but it's just so cute. And then over here you can place a picture, and then I added some of that really pretty trim, and then this opens up, and then these are just the 4x4 from the collection, so you can journal, add pictures, and then this closes up like that. And then we also had this flower from the box, and I love it, but I just thought the blue didn't really go with the cover that I made, so I decided to just put it back here, and it kind of fits perfect on this page because we have a little bit of blue. And then this opens up, and then this is a little pocket. So these again are cut apart, and instead of cutting them separately, I just folded this in half, and then they become into little booklets or little journals. You can even add pages here and turn these into little mini books. And then they just go on these pockets, and then this closes up, and then this opens to the side, place for journal, and this opens up here as well. And this is another one of those pages that you can fussy cut around and use all of those tickets and butterflies, but I wanted to just have it as a background page. And so I hope that you guys enjoy the walkthrough of this project. Again, I'm gonna have the link to the subscription box and to the video class only on the description box, and you can find all of that on my website. So I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.